Hey there! Today, we're going to show you how to launch an open edX instance with the Tutor Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, on Sumac, the latest release of Open edX. This method simplifies deployment, making it faster and more efficient for educators and organizations. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find the Tutor AMI. First, open your browser and search for Open edX on AWS. You are looking for the Tutor AMI on AWS. Got it? Awesome. Before we move on, make sure you're signed in to the correct AWS account. It's a small step, but trust me, it'll save you a headache later. Step 2. Choose your purchase option. Once you've accepted the terms, your request will start processing. While you wait, scroll down and check out the purchase options. You can go with hourly billing or yearly subscription. And hey, there's a 19% discount if you commit for a year. If hourly billing is your choice, you can skip the contract options. Step 3. Configure and launch your instance. Now, click Continue to Configuration and select your preferred AWS region. Choosing the right region helps optimize performance, reduce latency, and comply with data regulations in your location. Click Continue to Launch. Here's the key setup. Choose Launch from the website. Pick the recommended instance type, that is, T3A.large instance type. See the default VPC and subnet. Create a new security group based on seller settings. Name it something you'll recognize. Description is a free field, and you can choose to add anything you like. We are adding HTTP plus HTTPS plus SSH plus SMTP plus Web UI because these are the ports we will be using. Select your key pair. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. When you're all set, click Launch. Step 4. Check your instance. Head over to the EC2 console and you'll see your new instance up and running. Step 5. Set up DNS records. Now, let's configure your domain. 1. Copy the public IP address of your instance. You can find it by navigating to the EC2 console, selecting your instance, and checking the Public IPv4 address field under the Instance Summary section. 2. On your domain registrar, create 2 records. A record points to your public IP. See Name record to configure subdomains which will be used by the studio, micro frontends, and other apps. Save your changes, and you're good to go. Step 6. Access the Tutor AMI. All right, moment of truth. In your web interface, type http://server IP:3737. Use these credentials to log in. Username, tutor. Password, your instance ID. Boom, you're in. Step 7. Set up your Open edX platform. Now it's time to set things up. Open your terminal and run local launch. You'll get a few prompts. If this is a production setup, type Y. Enter your domain name. For everything else, you can just hit Enter to accept the defaults. Finally, type Y to enable HTTPS. This part takes a few minutes, so feel free to grab a coffee while Tutor does its magic. Step 8. Log in and explore. Once everything's ready, open your platform in a browser. But wait, we need to create an admin user first. Run this command. Local do, create user, your username and email. Now you can log in with the user you just created. Step 9. Import the demo course. Want to explore a course? Let's import the demo course. Run local do import demo course. Head over to Explore Courses, enroll in the demo course, and start learning. You can even pop into Studio to customize the course content. And that's it! You've successfully launched your open edX platform using the Tutor AMI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. For any questions, visit edly.io/tutor.